start with what is your name?
My name is Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Are you hungry?
No,
No, I'm not.
no, I'm not.
And what food do you like?
I like cookies.
Cookies. What about what animals do you like?
I like rabbit.
Rabbits. Do you like dogs?
Yes, me.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
And do you like fruits? What fruits do you like, by the way?
I like chicken.
Fruits. Do you like oranges, kiwis, apples? What fruits do you like?
I like apple.
Apples. Good. And now, tell me, what is it?
It's a hamster.
It's a hamster. What is it?
It's a goldfish.
It's a goldfish. Is it a dog? Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
What is it?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. What is it?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Is it a monkey?
No,
It,
it's this.
no, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Okay, what is it?
It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. And what do you have?
I have rice.
I have rice.
And
I have.
carrots.
What do you have?
I have grapes. Grapes.
Okay, I have grapes. And what fruits do you like?
I like kiwis.
What fruits do you like?
I like cherries.
Cherries. Do you like oranges?
Just pea.
Yes, please.
Just pea.
Please.
Pea.
Okay. And what is it?
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple. Do you like mangoes?
Just pea.
Yes, please.
Just
Please.
pea.
Okay. And what says
Cookies.
cookies?
Cookies.
All right, better. What says
Cut.
cake? What says deer?
Deer. Dog.
Door. And tell me, listen, what command is this?
Kiss the rabbit.
Pet the rabbit.
Open the door.
Open the door. This one?
Close the door.
Close the door. And lastly,
Put down the hamster.
put down the hamster. Now, Teacher Red has got a big picture here. And let's look. What animal is it?
It's a lion.
It's a lion. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Pea.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay. What animal is it?
It's a zebra.
It's a zebra. What colors is it?
It's a
It's white.
white and black.
Can you say white?
White.
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 And what animal is it?
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger. What colors is it? It's orange.
It's orange and brown.
Brown. Do you like it? Do you like tigers? two rabbits. And what animal is it?
It's a elephant.
It's an elephant. Is it big? Yes or no?
No.
Is the elephant big?
No.
Yes or no? Is it big?
Yes.
Yes, it is big. And what fruit do you see? I see
I see apple.
apples.
I see strawberry.
Alright, how many apples do you see?
Yes.
How many apples do you see? I see
I see
one,
one,
two.
2, 3, 4.
How many apples?
4 apples.
And how many strawberries do you see?
I see 1, 2, 3,
Three.
3 strawberry.
And what fruits do you like?
I like strawberry.
Alright. And what food do you see?
I see spaghetti and bread
And
chicken.
what food do you like?
I like bread.
I like bread.
Bread.
Alright. And that concludes our spoon test, Lisa. Congrats. Goodbye.
Bye.